This week, we're installing the new off-grid power unit.
I think I'll move the wind turbine controller down a bit further because I want the new unit to sit up here. Be sad to see this one go. It's done over 18,000 hours, never missed a beat, never had a problem in 2 years.
It was really good. It did a lot, like, in fairness to it. Like, it was running the dryer, the hoover, the telly, the fridges, kettles.
Yeah, really, it never...
It didn't miss a beat, like.
No, never had any trouble.
How heavy is it?
Put your hand under it.
Is this like a bag of coal or something?
Ah, 20 kilos.
Oh, that's okay. It's not coal. It's like up to 40.
There we go.
No, what am I doing?
Let it go.
Better not fall down. That's expensive.
Now I have to take the cover off and get the other 2 screws
Do you
in the
need
back.
me for hands?
I don't think so.
Not big.
I'm at the back of the rotating array here. I'm taking it out of the 24 volt setup and putting it into one big string. That means I have to fit all these new MC4 connectors. If you've never done it before, it's real simple. You've got a narrow pin and a wider pin. The narrow pin goes into the negative connector, which is one of these, and the wider pin will go into the positive connector. Once you've got a good crimp on there, I like to add a bit of solder just to ensure that there's no bad connections anywhere and it's all nice and waterproof and you don't get any arcing or resistance. It's now running at 277 volts, which puts it perfectly in range of the MPPT on the new machine. Switching the battery bank from 24 up to 48 volt is probably the easiest part of this job. If you do happen to be working with lead acids yourself, what I find the safest way to do this is to disconnect all the small bridges first. That way then, each positive and negative that goes to the bus is dead. You don't have a completed circuit. One important thing to remember if you are using lead acids in your battery bank is that they need a good high recharge rate to prevent any degradation or sulfation of the cells. So each 12 volt battery needs to get a minimum of 14.4 volts, same as it would from a car's alternator. So if that was in a 24 volt system, it'll be 28.8 volts. If it's in a 48 volt system, it'll be 57.6 volts. As proof of that, this battery's been in service since May of 2023, so it's been over a year in full-time use. It's not connected to anything at the moment, and it's standing voltage 13.15. This battery is like a brand new battery, and each one here is the exact same. They're all reading 13.15 because they've been getting recharged properly. What do you think?
It looks really good. Are those transformers up there?
Yep. This is the MPPT section over here. So it's got 2 large transformers there, one for each circuit, toroidal transformers, so cool. This backboard here is the inverter section. It's got a massive big toroidal transformer and loads of little small ones.
That's a funny word, toroidal.
Toroidal, yeah. Inside here, this is the battery management system. Massive big heat sinks and 2 old square type transformers, as well as a toroidal transformer and a nice big 150 amp fuse on there. So yeah, it's got surge protection, overload, short circuit, and protection on all of the circuits inside it. It's got all the bells and whistles. Serious piece of kit, and it's just about ready to fire up.
This one first, yeah?
Yeah, battery first. Turn it, push and turn clockwise. Oh! What did you do?
I don't think...
Turn it on.
Yeah, it's made a poppy noise. It scared me.
That's
okay. This is
Oh,
on.
cool. The LED's working. We are officially 48 volts off grid.
Well, we have to put the changeover switch.
Yeah. A couple of more jobs to do, but we're close. All in all, not a
It
bad
only
day's
took
work.
4 years.
Oh, 4 years. That's right. It only took 4 goddamn years.
But you know what? That's trial and error.
12 volts, 24 volts. In fairness, the 24 volt was good. It did work.
It did. It was really good.
Seriously good.
Yeah, but for this big change
Yeah.
from sockets to everything, it has to be 48.
That's it. To run absolutely everything all at the same time,
Yeah.
you got to have that big constant output, and reliable too.
Oh, we're there. Nearly there.
Just about. A few
Nearly
more
there.
bits arriving,
Yeah.
and it's done.
Nearly there.
Plus an electrician.
And electrician.
I wouldn't mind getting them out just to inspect everything as well.
Yeah.
There'd be no harm.
That's
Anyway,
alright.
yeah. Job done.
Well done, me.